Alrighty, guys, your winner for the live mystery box unboxingmystery.com cruise video, closest to time without going over for 5 minutes and 38 seconds, is Bridget Rogers with 5 minutes and 32 seconds. Awesome, Bridge. Alright, guys, if you are interested in getting your own mystery box, be sure to head to unboxingmystery.com. There we are having a sale on our mystery boxes at the moment, so be sure to get those while you can. And make sure to subscribe and become a member. And becoming a member gets you some free discounts on the website, along with automatically entering you into our monthly giveaways. So be sure to tune into that.